Hello guys, in my previous lecture I started a subject that is computer networks, in which we have studied that there are so many networks that used to connect the computers together and share information, right? And now there is the topic network devices, which is also a part of the computer networks. So what my purpose is to teach this topic, that this is very important as a exam point of view. So there are so many devices, which is hub, repeater, bridge, switch, router, gateways and routers. So what is the meaning of these topics and how it works and what's the use of these devices in the computer networks, and how it is helpful for exam point of view, you can say. So first of all I must tell you guys, hub, repeater, bridge, switch, router, gateways and routers, all these devices are used to connect the networks together, and these devices are used in uh, uh, many ways like LAN and WAN, as we already studied in my previous lecture. So I hope in my next video I'll talk about each device in computer networks and how it works, how it may can be used in a computer networks.